Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over observe the right to self-determination day to day to remind the international community, particularly the United Nations, its obligations regarding the resolution of the Kashmir dispute. On this day in 1949, the United Nations passed a resolution supporting the Kashmiris' right to decide their future by themselves through the UN-supervised referendum. The incarcerated chairman of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Masarrat Aalam Butt, in a message sent from New Delhi's infamous Tihar Jail, said the UN failure to implement its resolutions on Jammu and Kashmir had resulted in the continued suffering of the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Other Hurriyat leaders and organizations, including Engineer Hilal Ahmad War, Khadim Hussain, Sayyid Sibte Shabir Kummi and Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party in their statement said it is the responsibility of the UN and the international community to hold India accountable for committing brutalities on the Kashmiris and not honoring its international commitments on Kashmir. Meanwhile, posters appeared in Srinagar and other areas of the Kashmir Valley appealing the UN to take steps for settling the Kashmir dispute by giving the Kashmiris their right to self-determination as per the resolution passed on 5th January 1949. The posters were displayed by various pro-freedom organizations. Indian troops continued their cordon and search operations in different areas of Kupwara, Islamabad, Rajouri, Poonch, Riyasi, Jammu, Kishtwar, Doda and Samba districts. The troops also arrested several persons during these operations. New Delhi-controlled State Investigation Agency launched house raids in Kupwara district today, subjecting the inmates to severe harassment. In Islamabad, a delegation of APHC AJK chapter led by the convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar submitted a memorandum today to the UN office. The memorandum addressed to the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres urged him to take steps for resolving the Kashmir dispute by giving the Kashmiris their right to self-determination. Participants of a rally organized by Pasbane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir in Muzaffarabad called upon the implementation of the UN resolutions on Kashmir to save the Kashmiris from Indian state terrorism.